Back pain has become a very common lifestyle issue these days. Reason? Long sitting hours, less of healthy breaks again, improper standing, sitting and walking postures, sudden lifting of weights, improper sleeping position, unhealthy lifestyle, etc. In today's video, I'm going to show you few of the simple stretches and asanas. When done on a regular basis, a person with slight back pain can really get a lot of help. Having said that, for chronic back pain issues, please always visit the medical practitioner first. Try to understand if you are really fit enough to go for the asanas, and only then include the asanas in your daily lifestyle. So, let's get started. Start by sitting straight on the mat, your spine absolutely erect, shoulders roll back and chin parallel to the floor. Make sure you don't hunch your body, just sit straight. Start by resting your elbow on the mat. Inhale, raise your right hand up. Exhale, just stretch your body to the left side. Inhale, take your left hand up. Exhale, stretch your body to the right. Inhale, take your arms forward. Exhale, give a nice twist. Look behind. Inhale, come back. Exhale, twist on the other side. Stay there. Inhale and come back. Now get on your fours, which is also called as the table pose. Keep your arms absolutely in alignment. We will do cat and the cow pose or the Marjari Bithalasana. When you inhale, drop your back, look up. Exhale, touch your chin to the chest and arch your back. Slowly inhale, drop your back. Exhale, touch your chin to the chest and arch your back. Straighten your knees, lift up your body to down dog, or as we call the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Please remember to keep your spine absolutely erect. Very nice. Now inhale, raise your right leg up, and as you exhale, gently bring it between the two palms and sit straight. Your left leg should be absolutely straight. Keep breathing normally. This is the Kapotasana or the pigeon pose. Inhale. As you exhale, gently bend on the mat. Enjoy the stretch. Inhale. Come back. Now tuck your left leg. Take your right leg back. Go back to Adho Mukha Svanasana or the down dog. Now take your right leg up. The left leg. Exhale. Bring it in between the two palms. Sit straight. Your right leg is absolutely straight. Inhale. And as you exhale, bend forward. Try to touch your forehead to the mat. Inhale. Come back. Lift your left leg back. Go to Adho Mukha Svanasana. From here, inhale, swing your body forward. Your elbows are absolutely straight. This is the Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, that is the upward facing dog. This is the only difference between Bhujanga Asana and Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Your elbows are absolutely straight. One more time. Exhale, go to down dog. Inhale, go to up dog. Now, relax your body in Makar Asana or the crocodile pose. You can use your palms to rest your forehead. Count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's nice. Gently turn your body and come onto your back. Keep your body absolutely straight. Your palms, your hands are gently rested. Now inhale, exhale, take one leg, get it close to your tummy. Stay there. Relax and release. Inhale, take the other leg, hold it, stay there. Release. One more time with both the legs. Inhale. As you exhale, bring both your knees together, hold them close to your tummy. Stay there. That's a lovely relaxation to your back muscles. You can also just sway a bit for that added relaxation. Very nice. Just release. Next is the bridge pose or the Setu Bandhasana. Very, very beautiful asana for your lower back pain. Take both your legs, bend the knees, bring your feet somewhere close to the body. Now with the pressure onto the mat, inhale and raise your torso up very gently. You can either stay in this pose like this, or you can just give your back a bit of support if need be. Stay there for the count of 5 breaths. Feel that nice massage to your back. Exhale, bring it down. Now we'll do some little bit of stretching as well and a little bit of twisting. Take your right leg up, inhale. Keep your right foot onto the left knee. Extend your arms. Now with your left hand, push your right knee to the left side and your face towards the right side. Feel that beautiful twist. Relax. Come back. This time with the left leg, inhale, raise your left leg. Place your left foot on the right knee. Take the right arm, push your left knee towards the right side and your face on the opposite side. Stay there. Beautiful. Get back. And now just relax your body in Shavasana. Just breathe in nicely with your belly. As you exhale, suck your belly in. As you inhale, take it out. Relax. When you are ready to get up, always make sure to first turn to your right side. Take a couple of breaths in this position. Then with the help of your hand, slowly and gently get up and sit in Sukhasana. The number of times you do these asanas and the time period or the duration for which you hold a particular asana will depend upon person to person. So if you have some more time in your hand, please make sure you hold each asana at least for 5 to 6 counts, and it will really give you benefits in a long run. So I hope you found this video really helpful. Please go ahead, practice these asanas, and let me share a little tip with you. Once you are very through with these asanas and your breathing is absolutely in your control, try doing this with closed eyes. It's amazing. The feeling is really amazing, and this is out of my personal experience. Yoga, when done with proper breathing and closed eyes, gives a lot of relaxation to the mind. So friends, till then, see you next time with such more helpful videos. Keep practicing. Namaste.